Today we're going to see how to get a refund from Uber Eats. Sometimes when we place an order, it can arrive with mistakes. So if you need to request a refund, here's exactly what you need to do. First, open your app. Then go to the option that says Account. Once you're there, tap on Orders and select the most recent order you want to report. Now you'll see the details of your order. Scroll down, and you'll see several options. Tap on Help. Then select the option that says More Help. Next, choose Past Order. A chat window will open with different options. You'll need to select the one that matches the issue you had with your order. After that, you'll be asked whether you want a refund for the entire order or just for a specific item. Choose the option that applies to your situation. Then, tap Next. Now you'll see specific problems you can select from. Choose the one that best describes your issue, and tap Next again. At this point, you'll need to provide proof that something was wrong with your order. So you'll need to upload a photo of your order. Once you add the photo, tap Next. Your photo will be attached, then tap Continue. After that, Uber Eats will review your claim. The final decision may depend on the restaurant and its policies. Uber Eats will notify you about the decision regarding your refund. If it's approved, they'll inform you that the money will be returned to your account in the app. And that's it. That's how easy it is to request a refund on Uber Eats. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video. See you in the next one.